Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can add an audio to your Canva presentation. So the first thing that you need to do here is you have to open up Canva, and then what you need to do is you have to click on presentation. For the time being, I'm just going to select uh, a random presentation template. So I'm going to select this and click on apply to 14 pages. So for example, if this is our presentation, and if we want to add audio here, what do we need to do is we have to go here to uploads. We're going to click upload files. So this is the audio we have selected. Now if we click this, the audio is going to be here, and you can use this audio in the background of this presentation. So finally what you need to do is you have to go here and then you have to download it. You have to make sure that you download the file not in PDF but in MP4, because there's an audio involved, so you can't download the file in PDF because then the audio will not play. Neither you can download in PPTX because again then the audio will not play. You just have to download in MP4 and then the audio is going to play. So that was it. I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.